The home port takeoff.
Whoa. Right, so I've come out today because I've got a purpose for this video, so it should be brief and succinct, if I've used that word correctly. I'm flying on a bare bones setup. I've only got one fully charged battery, 37% on my actual Mavic Pro controller, and my phone's fairly fully charged, so that's a bonus. Also, I'm being very clever today because usually I'd come out on a day like this and I'd have a camera on a tripod by here, maybe a GoPro on my head, and I'd be flying the drone as well. Now I'm using my big brain. I'm actually filming myself talking with the Mavic Pro while the audio is being collected from the screen capture of the iPhone. So it makes everything a lot simpler. I'll have a lot less different clips to work with when I come to editing, if I edit at all. Anyway, the point of this video is I've got an upcoming project potentially in which I'm going to want to do a sort of, over the span of a year, a time lapse of a building being built. So I figured the best way to do that would be to use the Waypoints Intelligent Flight Mode on the Mavic Pro. Never actually used it before, so I'm here now just to quickly run through it and see how it works. So what I'm going to do is fly it up to my first point of where I want the waypoint to start, fly it around 3 or 4 different points, and then execute the mission and see how it works. Let's go. Right, so first of all, I'm going to take it up and set the first waypoint to about here. Click the little button on the left of the screen, the little controller icon, swipe across and hit waypoints and select new mission. Now you need to press C1 in order to record a waypoint, so I'm going to do that now. That's the first one done. You can see on the map there, the blue circle, that's the first waypoint. And then I'm going to fly the drone over towards the caravan park, take it up slightly, that'll do, and look right towards Sully Island. Not too far, I want to keep the caravan park in sight. C1, second waypoint done. Next I'm going to turn left and fly it towards the playing fields over here. That'll do. Hit C1. Third waypoint recorded. Check the map. You can see the numbers 1, 2 and 3, and you can see the route in green. And then bring it back to look at me and that tiny black dot right in the center now. And that'll do for that. Hit C1. That's 4 waypoints. So now when I click done on the bottom right, you can choose the speed at which you want that to execute. I'm going to do it quite fast at 20 kilometers per hour. Heading to adjustable heading means that the drone will actually spin to show you what the camera was looking at when you set the waypoint. I'm going to keep it at that for now. Mission complete, hover. I'm going to select return to home. Actually no, I'm going to select hover. Click apply. That should send to the drone and then it should execute. So here I am. I'm no longer, I hope that hasn't got rid of the screen recording. I'm no longer controlling the drone at all now. It's doing it itself. I'm just keeping an eye on its movements and ready to step in should anything go wrong. So this is where we began. And off it goes. Once this is complete, what I find fascinating about this is that you can automate the entire drone flight. It might be a little bit boring to other people because you're not actually flying the drone when you're out flying the drone, but what I love is you can automate this thing and just have it run and you get exactly what you want as opposed to messing about in the moment. What I'm not sure it does is adjust the gimbal pitch while it's going. It would be really nice if it did, but I'll have to have another play with that at another time because I'm running out of time here now. And that was it. That was the mission. Okay, so that worked very nicely. It'd be nice to get into grips with a bit of more complex of a mission, maybe a few more waypoints, see how it handles with a few different angles, and try and capture the best thing for the job. Thank you for watching. As always, I'm trying to grow this channel. Please consider liking, subscribing and sharing if you've got any use out of this. Let's go home.